If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Ya ubah Himalaya Moktan Shangpliang ubalawan rungno sa kaseng NPP. Na Pdiang du National President ke NPP Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat ke jingadan lang Menteri Rang Ba Abarim Kejela Dr. Didi Lapang u State President ke NPP Dr. WR Kharlukhi kinong elam ke NPP kibagentup ubah Preston Tunsong ubah senyaw balang dhar i Dr. Amperin Lengdo berkibai-kibai. U Dr. Didi Lapang abagaran kejingelang uloong bagi NPP kalakia watlah kalamat kejing bagi jing tenjo kibadan hakan negeri henrai da kejing dan kinong elam betebet kejela kalaya caprang bat kelanang kio. U Konrad Kongkal Sangma u lapen pau ya kejing kemen. Bau Bah Himalaya Moktan Shangpliang lawan pyniasoh syakaseng NPP namar budan kejing longkum unong elam. Bali i kani hakayang dorbar hakabau lawan ra bat pensengawi kejing jengipat ba. Bat lengba kejing pyniasoh jong Bah HM Shangpliang kanang penklannya keseng NPP. Bah HM Shangpliang uloong ba kejing pyniasoh jong usik NPP kedai namar bui kimat kiblasyem dengan ke sarkar hapok kejing alam jong Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Kabalong na kebentang kabha kamiat jong patba kejela bat ula pentip bekladan lai hajar ngot kidkot kibala mi'no na keseng BJP bat kibala pyniasoh
and to serve the people of the state to the best of my ability. Once again, I'd like to thank the National President, Sri Konrad Sangma, for giving me this honor today. I also thank Sir Preston and Sir Snyaw for the encouragement and support that they kept giving me over the days so as to enable me to join the party here today. I also thank the State President, Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi, for his kind consent to induct me into the party. My special thanks goes to a very special person in my life, and that is Dr. Didi Lapang. I see Meghalaya emerging as one of the leading states in the country. Under the dynamic leadership of Sri Konrad Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and duly supported by Sri Preston Tunsong and Sri Shobhalandhar, both Deputy Chief Ministers. And I am very impressed with the emphasis given by the party for the development of the state.
And as the National President would like to direct our State President that reorganization of the units, the blocks, the committees, the frontal organizations must happen now immediately. We've had 6 months of rest. Now it's time to get back to work. We must organize the party. We must activate it. We must ensure that all the blocks, wherever elections have held, reviews must be held. We must call for review all the results that took place, in which polling station, in which particular area, what happened, why it happened, what did we expect, what went according to our expectations and what did not. It's important to do a background, complete a post-mortem on the elections and have a report. And I would like to urge that we should call a meeting, call all our candidates who had contested in the last election, take a report and make sure that all our organizations are henceforth activated so that we are able to make the party grow in the future, keeping in mind so many organizational aspects, activities, issues, as well as elections that are coming in the future.
The new government will be doing its best to do the needful, attend to the grassroots level of leaders, and they try their best to pick up issues which is connected with the grassroots, like the agriculture backwardness and all, and then the ground level type of making us acquainted with the citizen. And one thing is to proceed because they have touched the tribal original thing that come out and to see that to preserve it. And there was a time we tend to forget the reality of those things which have been there with hundreds of years with our old forefathers and all. Now this will try to pick up anything. And another one is that this party try to concentrate more in the northeast. Now the name of the northeast region has come to limelight, this way or that way, and now this is the first time in the history that the ministers of the central government has gone down to the grassroots level, into the small village and all, this acquainting themselves with the thinking of to act big, and then talk of the international, globally and all, which before we used to concentrate a small pool like that. That's why there is change for challenges to take place. This is what it is.
So don't you think that the law and order problems are occurring here?
Overall saying that's not much the law and order. According to the last history that is there, lot of killing, tribal massacring and all, those things are better now. Now we will here and try to see that the law and order is within the ambit of the law, not to be on the front of the law. For other issues, there are the understanding of both sides of the government is the main criteria. And at the same time, you see, the Assam has been the main body which is carved out this Meghalaya. We appeal the Assam to have a bigger support that they will not say that they have given Meghalaya. Why not give all other independence to do like traditional and their way of life, their like that and all. So, but they approach the border issues. They have to put their heads and hearts together to see how far they solve the problem. Let's see, they have just started the thing, and we have yet to see how far they can really make it a realistic and modified.